Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I had an amazing day spent doing JIVATI Pooja or JIVATI Mata Pooja. JIVATI Pooja is observed on one of the Fridays of the Shravan month. JIVATI Mata is an avatar or manifestation of goddess Parvati. There is a popular belief that worshipping goddess JIVATI can protect children from evil and bad effects and makes them healthy. I got some great tips from my dad, my sister-in-law as to how to perform this puja. It was definitely a very fulfilling day.